Okay, so we bought this Samsung, and this is a dishwasher which is DW80J7550 US. This is supposed to be a very high-end dishwasher, but this is what's happening today. So we had this, the bottom of the dishwasher, the tub there was filled with water, and then we got this LC, and uh, it's a code which is perhaps nobody knows. I tried to call Samsung, they cannot help me before Tuesday. It's a long weekend, Thanksgiving weekend, and we are stuck with all these dishes unwashed. And here's what's happening. So now that the water is drained earlier this morning, we still have this funny noise coming, and I want you to hear this. So this is what's happening. It's like a continuous draining noise coming from somewhere in the machine, and we have no clue how to fix it. Very disappointing situation here, and Samsung is supposed to be making these dishwashers well, because they cost almost $1,000. So after paying $1,000, you do expect a thing to last for a few years. We bought this in March, and now we are stuck with all these dishes, and it's not working.